Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Trello boards for designer handoff and brand tasks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Trello boards for designer handoff and brand tasks, first, open your Trello account. Create a new board by clicking on Create New Board. Name your board something relevant, like designer handoff and brand tasks. Next, create lists to categorize your tasks. Add a list for design requests. Create another list for in progress. Add a list named completed to track finish. Consider adding a list for feedback to gather input from your team. Now, start adding cards to your design requests list. Each card should represent a specific design task. Include key details like project name and deadline in the card title. In the card description, add a brief overview of the task. Attach relevant files, such as design briefs or brand guidelines, to each card. Use labels to categorize tasks further, like high priority or for review. Assign team members to specific tasks by adding them. Set due dates to keep everyone accountable and on schedule. Encourage team members to add comments for collaboration on each card. As tasks progress, move them from design requests to in progress. Once a task is complete, shift it to the completed list. Use the feedback list for any revisions or additional input needed. Regularly review the board with your team to track progress and make necessary adjustments. This setup streamlines communication and keeps everyone on the same page. Consider integrating Trello with other tools you use for enhanced productivity. Utilize Trello automation features to reduce manual work wherever possible. With this setup, you'll improve efficiency in designer handoff and brand task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.